Hi everyone, today I would like to share about the application of electromagnetism in daily life, and for that I will share to all of you the fact about proximity sensor. So before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Tahfiz bin TONO with matrix number D20211099-198, and I am from Faculty of Science and Mathematics, major in Physics at T12. So what is proximity sensor actually? It is a type of sensor that are used to detect nearby objects without coming into physical contact. Their application include detection, position, inspection, and counting in automated machine, robotics, and consumer product. Then, actually, how many types of proximity sensor are there actually? There is a lot of types of proximity sensor that can be found in industry use today, which are photoelectric sensor, proximity sensor, inductive sensor, capacitive sensor, and also ultrasonic sensor. If that is the type of proximity sensor, where can it found? If the proximity sensor used in our daily life, it is actually used in automatic production line, smartphones, part detection in production line, and also collision detection. Wait, what? Smartphones? How? Well, if you notice, every time you want to make a call and you put your phone towards your ear, the screen will shut off to avoid any unintentional touch to the screen. Collision detection used in robot vacuum to avoid from hit and obstacle around them, and also used in automotive, where if you reverse the car will sound like this: beep, 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 beep. Okay, that is the application of proximity sensor. So we go to the working principle of the proximity sensor. How does it actually works? If we look at the diagram of the inductive sensor, a high-frequency magnetic field is generated by the coil L in the oscillation circuit when a target approaches the magnetic field, and induction current or eddy current flows in the target due to the electromagnetic induction, which causes the load of the oscillation circuit to increase. Then oscillation amplitude will reduce or oscillation will completely stop or zero. If the metal object moves towards the proximity sensor, the eddy current will increase accordingly. Thus, the load on the oscillator will increase, which will decrease the field magnitude. So, what is the advantage and disadvantage of proximity sensor? Proximity sensor can detect both metallic and non-metallic targets, good stability, high switching rates, can work in harsh environmental condition, low cost, and also power consumption. But what is the disadvantage of this sensor? The disadvantage is it will affected by the temperature and humidity, difficulties in designing the sensor, and also the operating range may be limited, and last but not least, they can easily be set off and cause a huge problem to certain parts of a system or an project. Okay, next, conclusion. The conclusion for this presentation, I can conclude that proximity sensor used in detection, position, inspection, and counting in automatic machines, robot, and consumer product. It also widely used in industrial and manufacturing. That's all from me. Thank you.